Fantastic weather once again as we're heading into the afternoon hours. Temperatures already at 31. We're expecting a high temperature today, likely into the mid to upper 30s. Next couple of days, though, Saturday, Sunday, and on Monday, all three of those actually, high temperature should be closer to the 50-degree range than the 40-degree range. Here's a look at the current temperatures in places like Butler. It's 33, Donora 35 degrees, Latrobe at 28 still, 32 in Champion, Waynesburg 35 in Washington, also coming in at 35 degrees. Your forecast today, high temperature about 39. Winds out of the southwest, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Plenty of sunshine around, especially as we're heading into the early afternoon hours. So we'll start to see a few more clouds after about 3 or 4 o'clock. And by tomorrow, we'll be looking at mostly cloudy to overcast skies for most of the weekend. Here's your forecast over the next 24 hours. We'll keep temperatures steady at about 38 degrees at 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock as well. And you'll notice that as we're heading into the overnight hours, no big dip. In fact, temperatures as we're starting off on the day on Saturday, just below 31 forecast in the Pittsburgh area. A number of places might not even dip below 32 degrees. Wouldn't that be nice? The warm up is going to be on. But with that, we also have what we talked about at the top of the show, some flooding concerns. Still have the aerial flood warning for the Kiski River. That's going to be places like Vandergrift, West Leechburg, the Leechburg area, and Hyde Park, all expected to be impacted there. We do have some homes that have water in the backyards of their houses, and then also obviously some roads that are dealing with some water on the road at this point. I just wanted to show you this picture. This is a picture taken this morning of the Kiski River. You can just see all ice at this point. The problem is going to be as we warm up in the overnight into the weekend, we're going to continue to see this ice thinning, breaking up, and then causing some issues, especially downstream as the ice begins to move downstream. So a low rain chance overall through the weekend. In fact, we're just expecting some light drizzle, maybe a passing shower late Saturday into Sunday. It's not going to be much at all. As we're heading into Monday, better chance for rain, but still not anything that's looking like more than about 1/4 of an inch. And then part of the flood concern depends on the river ice that we're showing you right there. The Allegheny River also a big concern at this point with river ice that's been on it. We'll be watching things closely there. We are going to be warming up, and obviously with that comes the breaks of that ice, and the problems could be there with flooding. At this point, we'll continue to watch things. You can see the cold air is in place now, but warmer air sneaking in just off to the west. And as we're heading into the weekend, we are expecting temperatures to be about 5 degrees or so warmer than the average for this time of the year. That'll be a welcome change because overall this month, we're seeing temperatures already about 11 degrees behind average, and actually a top 3 month when it comes overall to the coldest Januaries we've seen on record. We've seen 26.6 inches of snow so far this season, and well, it doesn't look like we'll see any snow over the weekend. Next chance for snow should be on Tuesday, where we start to see that rain changing over to snow, and yes, some small minor accumulations, less than an inch, will be possible is what it looks like now.
That would be good.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Yeah, let's keep it low.
Yeah, thank you, Ron.